lights. She's coming over and I'm just standing there like.
Hello there, it's Sanu, IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to see you all.
Today, I'm excited to share a special feature on storage solutions that are exclusively available at IKEA.
I'll show you smart storage ideas for the living room, kitchen, and closet, plus how I use them at home. Stick around to see it all. Let's begin with the living room.
The living room often becomes a hub for documents, stationery, and gatherings, making it prone to clutter. In this room setup, you'll notice the BESTÅ furniture placed beyond the dining area.
BESTÅ is a flexible system. You can mix and match doors, legs, and more.
The white version blends in with the wall, and leaving off the handles makes it look even cleaner. Beneath the counter, another piece from the BESTÅ series is used, this time with different doors and a shallower depth, making it ideal for narrow spaces. A similar system is EKET, which has a depth of 35 centimeters compared to BESTÅ's 42 centimeters, making it slightly more compact. EKET's design showcases visible door lines, giving it a distinct appearance. For walkways or narrow spots within the living room, EKET's slimmer profile works really well. The cube-shaped EKET units come in various colors, while the cabinet type is available in white and brown.
In another room setup, the KALLAX unit is placed beyond the dining area. KALLAX features a grid-like design that can be used both vertically and horizontally.
Here's an example where multiple KALLAX units are aligned along the wall. By default, it's an open shelf, but with a wide range of affordable accessories, you can customize it with doors, drawers, and more. Its substantial depth means it doesn't necessarily need to be fixed to the wall, allowing it to function as a room divider. In this setup, the lower sections are concealed with doors for hidden storage, while the upper sections remain open for display purposes.
It's something you'll see in another living room setup as well.
It's a smart way to keep things tidy while still showing off favorite items.
In our living room, we utilize BESTÅ for storage.
Since I wanted the dining set to be the focal point, I chose the simple and unobtrusive BESTÅ, which serves as an excellent backdrop. One of BESTÅ's strengths is the flexibility to adjust shelf positions according to the items you wish to store.
Currently, we are using it with SKUBB boxes, which are highly recommended.
For instance, the massage gun stored here is incredibly soothing when applied to the collarbone area.
What's great about SKUBB boxes is that
They come in sets of varying sizes.
all of which are quite user-friendly.
When not in use, simply unzip them to flatten, saving space. When needed again, just zip them up to reform the box, making them an efficient storage solution. Originally designed as drawer dividers, their lightweight nature allows them to be used in hanging closet storage as makeshift drawers, making them ideal for organizing small items. Returning to BESTÅ, we've partitioned the interior using MUJI's file boxes. One section holds eco bags, while another stores letters from my child. Below, we have a MUJI file box designated for expense processing, where receipts can be quickly dropped in from the top.
These boxes are likely purchased from Nitori. One holds masks, the other holds candles. I use the most accessible door for everyday items. A key feature is the temporary bags placed here.
While we generally discard documents promptly, occasionally there are papers that require attention. This box serves as a holding area for such items. In the adjacent MUJI drawer, we store batteries, nail clippers, glue, tape, and other stationery items. The bottom drawer is our document storage area, where files are laid flat in this orientation, I also have a cherished collection of IKEA catalogs,
which are now discontinued.
Documents are categorized by family member and stored in separate boxes. Inside each box, we use Kokuyo's divider boards to organize and easily insert documents from the top. We regularly check this area to discard unnecessary papers, ensuring it remains the sole document storage space. One of BESTÅ's appealing aspects is the ability to enjoy displaying items on top. To align its height with the adjacent Mika desk, we've added legs, though it's perfectly fine to use without them. This slimmer version of BESTÅ is also part of the series. Since it's placed in a passageway, we've opted to use it without doors. Of course, wall mounting is necessary in such cases.
Next, let's explore our kitchen storage solutions.
Here, we have a shelf utilized as a pantry. It houses glass containers from the IKEA 365 Plus series, Risator baskets, and other items. Notably, the IKEA 365 Plus series has introduced new colors,
which are absolutely beautiful.
I'll delve into new products in detail next week. When visiting IKEA, be sure to check inside the drawers. Observing how they are organized provides valuable insights. In this setup,
UPPDATERA boxes are used,
which I also frequently utilize. They're sturdy and user-friendly, and their design allows them to be used outside of drawers as well. Recently, I purchased a large trash bin from IKEA. Although it barely fit into our Panasonic cupboard, the lid couldn't close. Nonetheless, it's been serving well for plastic waste. I'll provide a detailed review after further use.
In this kitchen setup, the ELLOVEN monitor stand is placed on the cupboard.
I use the same product in a similar manner. It's essentially repurposed for kitchen use. Despite being a shallow drawer, it accommodates kitchen accessories effectively. On this shelf, a turntable is placed to facilitate easy access to items at the back. A clever idea. Behind the stove, a U-shaped rack is installed. Such steel racks can be pricey, but IKEA offers them at reasonable prices. This particular one is called BESTÅENDE. This compact kitchen setup features a boldly installed pegboard on the wall, transforming the wall into a storage area. Additionally, a wall shelf is mounted above,
which is also affordably priced.
Furthermore, this kitchen includes a stylish mini-sized shelf, offering a chic solution for utilizing space. The black glass jars placed below have a matte finish, adding to their charm.
Regarding the previously mentioned wall shelf, IKEA offers a wide variety of designs.
However, most require substantial screws for installation, posing challenges for renters. That said, some can be installed on plasterboard, which I'll introduce.
Firstly, in this room setup, behind the sofa, there is a MOSSLANDA shelf.
On the side, a rattan shelf is installed. Both can be mounted on plasterboard. The rattan shelf is incredibly charming. I use it in my bedroom as well. It's easy to install, making it highly recommended. The mounting mechanism allows for installation using plasterboard pins.
I've installed MOSSLANDA in the kitchen, even mounting it upside down.
I'll include a link in the description for this installation method. Please refer to the related video for more details. It's genuinely easy to set up. When it comes to toy storage, the TROFAST series is immensely popular. Recently, the boxes in this series have been updated. The white ones now have a more opaque color.
And there is also a mesh-type box available.
Plastic boxes are favored for toy storage, primarily because they allow children to take out the entire box, display, and then easily put everything back. This approach simplifies tidying up.
There are two types of frames, white and wood-toned.
Additionally, there's a frame designed like a staircase. The baskets used here are mesh, giving a slightly more mature appearance. Here's an example of using it in the lower section of a closet. Adjacent to it is a JONAXEL mesh drawer, creating a harmonious arrangement. Shallow drawers can hold clothes, while deeper ones are suitable for bags.
Let's now look at some practical applications for closet storage. Isn't this setup impressive?
They've placed a shoe rack to elevate SKUBB boxes, a novel idea that maximizes space utilization. I also use this shoe rack. It's remarkably sturdy for its price. The SKUBB boxes here are labeled for guest futons, indicating they're used for bedding storage. The upper storage area also features a row of SKUBB boxes. Their lightweight nature makes them ideal for high places. The hanger rack used is called MULIG, a real bargain. This example showcases the use of JONAXEL to create drawers and shelves. The upper storage area contains SKUBB boxes with mesh windows, allowing you to see the contents at a glance. JONAXEL's baskets vary in mesh size, with the rightmost being fine mesh and the middle one having a coarser mesh. It's an affordable and flexible storage module. Here's an example of incorporating JONAXEL into a closet. This particular closet lacks a hanger pipe, so a JONAXEL hanger rail is installed instead. The lower section serves as shelving. Closets often have significant depth, posing storage challenges. Incorporating drawers is one solution. On the right side, behind the MULIG hanger rack, additional boxes are placed, effectively dividing the space front and back. Notably, this caster-equipped platform is worth mentioning. It's frequently praised as a perfect fit under MUJI's sturdy boxes. It can support up to 100 kilograms, but be cautious when transporting it due to its weight.
Allow me to introduce some recommended items I use in my closet. Firstly, this light is must-have.
It's a sensor light that illuminates the entire closet, making it incredibly convenient. It's battery-operated and the magnetic attachment allows for easy removal and battery replacement. The main unit is affixed with adhesive tape. Sold as a set of two, it's an affordable way to enhance visibility. In fact, you might not even need to turn on the room light. Simply opening the closet door provides sufficient illumination, making it extremely handy.
Another recommendation is this box from the STUK series.
Like the previously mentioned SKUBB, it's originally designed for use inside drawers but is sturdy enough to be used independently. It comes in various sizes, offering versatility. The one I use has dividers, allowing me to store winter items at the back and summer items at the front. When seasons change, simply swapping the front and back. Positions make seasonal wardrobe transitions easy. It keeps everything looking neat and is definitely a product I recommend. At the bottom, there's another SKUBB box from IKEA. This is where I hang items like pants that haven't been washed yet. This towel hanger, called PÅLYCKE from IKEA, fits perfectly on our closet door. It's so useful to have a temporary hanging spot like this. On the back of the door, I've hung a door hook. But since it was a bit too high to reach directly, I also attached an IKEA memo board. By doing this, the hooks come down to a lower height and are much easier to use. You can also hang small items on the memo board by adding hooks. It's a great hidden storage solution on the back of any door.
That wraps up today's tour.
I've actually picked up some brand new items recently, so I'll be sharing those in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you again very soon in the next video.